Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make moving slides in Canva. Once on Canva, we are going to select presentation. After selecting presentation, you'll be redirected to this page. And I'm just going to be adding a random template. So you can go over to the left hand menu option and I'm just going to be selecting a random template. Let's say this one. And I'm going to be applying all 14 pages. At the moment, you can see how it looks right here. Now to make the slides move, all you'll need to do is hover in between each page and you're going to tap on the icon that says add transition right below the plus. Then from there, you can select the movement that you would want. So you can see right there are different options from the left hand menu option. And you can also select the duration and the direction. We're going to be adding another option right here between the second and third page. We're going to tap on add transition. Then from there, let's say we were to select color wipe. Then you can also select another transition between another page, as you can see right here. After you have done that, another thing that you could also do is you can set the duration. So you can tap on edit timing from the top navigation bar and you could edit the timing right there. Once everything is to your liking, if we were to carry it back to the first page, then tap on present in the top right hand corner. After doing that, if we were to tap on autoplay, you can see there, you can see the moving transitions right there. And you can also select right here. If we were to tap on present, you can get a better view, as you can see right here. So we can go through and you can see the different transitions. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.